my baby problems, you gon' regret every day. So I let him know, gotta let him know. Came through the front door, I'll be ready for it. And if it's what you want, I'ma give it to you. Yeah, promise, I'ma give it to you. It's that smile, Lord knows I ain't seen that in
Bug it. It's been raining all day. We're getting in the pool. It took me that long to find it. Yeah! Whoa, go!
Go show Daddy the slide. Go show Daddy.
Go, Lala, go! Whoa! Happy Alright, go! Go, darling! Go! Go, go, go! Is it deep? It is heated. There's steam coming off it over there. Oh! Woohoo! Oh! Get in!
I've been in, it's freezing.
Oh, it's not. It's warm. It's hotter up here too. Oh, spa bath? Are you serious? Oh. Oh. Have you done the slide yet, Zave?
Yep.
Really?
Yep.
Let's go and do it. I want to do it. Come near the big boat, Ella. We're back home. This I'm still doing that video, the one that's coming up tonight, but it's yeah. It's the last sort of three weeks of the trip. We're always going to be a fast 3 weeks. Like, we had so much that we wanted to see and do still, and we wanted to give the kids sort of the best end to the trip possible. So we had a lot of big 4 parks and a lot of discoveries with jumping pillows, pools, little golf courses and stuff. And so yeah, I mean, those 3 weeks flew by like nothing else. But yeah, we still got heaps of really cool memories and footage to come up in the next couple of weeks, so yeah, keep an eye out for those. But yeah, it's nice to be home. It's a bit bittersweet. I said that a million times, but yeah. Seeing family is obviously wonderful. But yeah, at the same time, like it's hard to grasp that our time on the road has come to an end for now. We've still got all of WA to do, and we'll be definitely doing that again. I can tell you that now. We had the most amazing time, and yeah. Now I've got to go through the bank statements and figure out how much the whole thing costs, because I'll make a video on that, and yeah, I am very interested to see.
Isn't it?
But yeah, happy days, man. A really good trip, and yeah, we're gonna make the most of whatever season we're in. Obviously, the pregnancy is a big one. So baby number 4, Zoe's now 19 weeks, which is exciting, and yeah, no, it's cool. We moved back into the house about a month, and got lots of fun projects that we want to do. And yeah, so.
And where are we going?
Going
for
we go for a walk and then a beach. And then we go way back home soon.
Hi, Lala. Hi. Oh, goodness.